Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some more easier and attractive designs of crochet keychains. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs of keychains which are simple 2D designs and 3D designs as well. So both type of designing ideas are included in this video, and all of these designs are very unique and simple to make. Most of the designs are just made with two patches, one on the front side and one on the other side, and these are just made by joining together and attaching some cotton inside them as well. And 2D designs are very simple and easy to make and very quick to make as well, because very simple and easy to make stitches are used in these designs. Like most of the designs are having double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them, and you will also see single crochet or half double crochet stitches used in some of the designs, but double crochet stitch is mostly used in these designs. And these designs are embellished with different beads, and tassels are mostly added on almost all of the designs. A few of the designs are not having tassels, so if you are a lover of tassel, you can just attach tassel at the end of these keychains. And if you are lover of simple designs, you can simply make a round patch, and you just don't have to attach tassel or any beadwork in them as well. You can see very attractive and gorgeous color schemes are used to make them, and almost all of these designs are made with very attractive and beautiful contrasting color schemes. And you can see 4 to 5 colors are used in just one single keychain, so you can easily make them with the help of leftover yarn of different crochet projects as well, because very less amount of yarn is used to make them. And you can use different beads inside these keychains as well. If you love beadwork, you can attach different kinds of beads. Most of the designs are having round beads, and some other shapes of beads are also used in these designs, and ribbons are also used in most of the designs. So I hope you're gonna love them all, and their color schemes and their patterns too. So if you love them, give this video a big thumbs up as well, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. And after pressing the red subscribe button, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each. And share this video with other handmade products lover or especially crochet lovers in your circle as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.